Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look. It is just a beautiful, soft, neutral, smoky look. I love the way that it turned out, and we are going to be using my favorite, the Biba palette. I have been dying to use this palette again, and I just decided to pull it out and play. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by taking my Milk Cosmetics foundation stick. I love this stuff. It looks so natural. It's very buildable. It wears beautifully, and I love the shade for me. For my concealer today, I'm using Beige. Let me know what you guys think of this lighting I added. So let me tell you, we bought a new light fixture for our dining room. We've had this chandelier that was on when we bought the house, and I liked it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but there was something about it that started to drive me nuts, which is there was this little like bit of water that had gotten caught in the fixture, and no one ever bothered to clean it out. So it was like rusty water in this fixture, and I promise you guys, I tried everything to get that stupid water out, everything, and I just couldn't. Even now that it's off, I'm looking at it, I'm like, how am I gonna get that water out? Because I'd like to try and sell it. It's a nice chandelier. I was over it. So we bought this light fixture. It's slightly more modern. I liked it, and then my husband liked it, which I'm like, okay, this is it. Like, this is a time to change it. I'm gonna go in with my Airspun powder, and it was really inexpensive. I got a really good deal on it on Wayfair. It was under $100, and it was different. So I'm like, I like it, he likes it, let's do it. So I bought it, and then I bought light bulbs on Wayfair. They were on clearance, and I never bothered to check like the kind of light it would offer. It's yellow. Like, it's like a fire yellow, like, you know, that orangey yellow. Like, it's soothing and it's nice in the evening, but in the daytime, mama needs light. Like, I need something that's bright, and this light just isn't gonna cut it. So I bought some other ones on Amazon, and I asked my husband, I'm like, it doesn't say that they're dimmable. Is that going to be a problem? Because he added a dim switch when we installed the new light fixture, and he's like, yeah, you know, he's like, it's fine, it's fine. No, it's not. It gives you like no light. So at this point, I'm like, I don't want to return them. Like, I just don't want to deal with the whole return process. So I tried them here in my vanity, and I like the look. I like how bright it is. I just don't really know what it's going to look like when I'm editing, or, you know, when I post this video. So let me know if you prefer this. I think I prefer it. I feel like it looks brighter. Alright guys, so today we're going to be playing with Biba. I have been wanting to play with this palette for a while now. I'm going to pull out Tusk, and I feel like this is a palette that if you were looking to buy a Natasha Denona palette and you weren't sure which one to get, this would be the one that I would recommend, because I feel like it's, as I'm saying that, I'm thinking about my other ones. I'm like, oh, I love those too. But this one I feel like is the one that you can get the most use out of consistently, because it is so neutral. And I love it. It is one of my favorite palettes. Okay, so I took Tusk. I don't know if I told you guys. Tusk. And I put that all over my lid. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more. I don't know if it's my sweater that's giving me the extra brightness, or if it's these lights, but I'm digging it. Anyway, so now I'm going to take Buff. Buff. This shade here. And I am going to place that into my crease. This is such a good palette. It's so smooth and pigmented. So we're having this really bipolar weather in Chicago. Like, this weekend was like 70 degrees. It was beautiful. And then today it's like 38 raining. It sucks, man. I'm ready for some nice weather. I think the nice weather makes being in quarantine so much easier. Like, I feel like California probably has it good. If you're from California, leave some love down below. Like, I see my brother posting pictures of him and his wife barbecuing often, having bonfires. And we've done that every chance that we can, but it's just not enough. I'm gonna take Prairie, that color there. I'm tempted to use Rustic. It's a shade I've never used. I think I'm gonna use it. Just do a brown smoky eye. Taking Prairie just to blend the edges of this brown color. And then as you guys see, I'm taking it slightly higher up to the front of my brow. I think I'm gonna do Rustic. I'm gonna take Rustic. Oops, I should show you guys. It's this color here, top, with my finger. I'm gonna take my brush and clean it off and then blend that color into the crease. All right, guys, I feel like I want this to pop just a little bit more, so I'm gonna take a flat brush and wet it. This is just my Evian water spray. And I'm gonna go back into Rustic, which is that brown shade that we applied all over the lid. There we go. I felt like it needed to pop. It was like blending out a lot. So I don't want to lose the pigmentation. I had to go outside to meet my dad. He was picking up my bike. It's cold. I'm gonna take Monroe. Monroe is this shade here. It's a really pretty sparkly shade. And I'm just going to place this in the inner corner and then blend it into that brown. All right, guys, so I went ahead and did a winged liner, and I used Extra Baggage by Dose of Colors. This is one of my favorite brown shades. It's just so deep, and it's a neutral brown, so I really love it. I'm gonna take a flat brush, and I'm gonna take Buff, which was the first shade that we used, and I'm gonna run that just under my eyes. Basically everything that you did on the top, you're gonna do on the bottom. I'm gonna go in with Freckle, and then I'm not taking it all the way in because I feel like for me that's not very flattering because I have dark circles, so I'm good. And now I'm gonna go in with Prairie, which is that mustardy orangey shade. And I like to take my colors kind of low. And lastly, I'm gonna take, actually let's use Cocoa. Cocoa is here. I don't want to use a shimmer shade. I'm gonna go ahead and take my mascara. So now I'm gonna take my Radiant Bronze Light by Hourglass, and I'm just going to use this to add some warmth to my face. Melt Cosmetics has two new colors that they released with their 420 collection. It's like a beautiful green and a brown, and I'm like, yes, I need that. I love a good brown liner, but I love their formula. I'm going to take Grand by MAC Cosmetics. This is the more not peachy shade that I own, and I'm just going to smile and pop this on the apples of my cheeks and bring it back. I honestly was not planning on filming today. I have videos already scheduled for you guys, so I'm like, oh, I have time, oh, I have time, I have time. I'm getting lazy. I have actually been working a lot, and I think that I'm just kind of like, I need a break, just a little bit of a break. But I have videos that I need to edit for you guys, which I can't fall behind on editing because that is a pain. And I'm already behind because this video will be the 4th video that I need to edit. For my lips, I'm going to take Done Undone Lip Pencil by Pat McGrath. And I'm going to take Gucci Penny Beige. Sad story. Done Undone keeps coming out of its case, and I'm running out, and I don't want to replace it. But I do want to replace it because it's one of my favorite lip pencils, but I'm like, I don't want to replace it. All right, guys, get ready for this amazing shade. All right, guys, the last thing I'm going to do is take this MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance Spray. This is an all-day hydrating spray and vitamin C. I actually used this before my makeup and I really liked it. All right, guys, so here is the final look. I love the way that this turned out. It's very neutral and intense while being soft. I really like those kinds of looks, the ones that you kind of go like, she's got makeup on, but does she have makeup on? Obviously I have makeup on, but it's very soft, and I have a winged liner, but it's not like super intense because the color is just a deep chocolate neutral brown, and I love everything about this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thumbs up because I didn't do a pink look and I really wanted to do a pink look and I didn't, so thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we're at 1,200 subscribers and some change. So I'm really excited because once we hit 1,500, I'm going to do my first giveaway. I am ready. I have boxes packed, which you guys should have already seen in my room tour. I'm ready to go. So I need to get these boxes moving. So let's hit 1,500 subscribers and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.